How to delete Quotex account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Quotex and log into your account. Once you do that, click on the three dots at the bottom right of the screen. Then click on Account. And here you want to scroll all the way to the end of the page till you see that red text with an X icon that says Delete Account. Click on it. As you can see, a pop-up window appeared that says, do you want to confirm deleting your account without undo? This action cannot be undone, meaning that if you delete this account, you can't get this account back. So if you want to delete it, just click yes, proceed, and your account will be deleted and you will be logged out of it because it will be removed from the platform and gone for good. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete and remove your Quotex account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.